Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a PayPal account that can receive and send funds right here in Nigeria. As you all know, Nigeria PayPal account to receive and send funds, you can only use your PayPal account to purchase stuff online by using your attached payment method. So that's really not good. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a PayPal account that you can receive funds from anybody, and you can also send funds out, and you can also purchase online using the same PayPal account. So let's just hop right in the video where I'll be showing you how you can go about this. First of all, you have to search for PayPal Lesotho. So you just search for the PayPal Lesotho, and you come down right to where you see Tech Africa, or you can come either when you see Tech Africa, or you can come either when you see Lesotho PayPal 2020. So it's either of these two platforms. So after clicking on this, you just come right down to where you see the link. Okay, I'll be showing you the link. As you can see, this is the link. So you can see www.paypal.com.lesotho.webapps.mmp.menchat. So you just have to click on it. So clicking on that and be registering to that. So you just click on the register. Sign up. So when you sign up, don't sign up as personal account. So you just sign up as business account. So this will go smoothly. So you click on continue. So you'll be prompted to fill up your details. So you just have to fill up the details, and first of all your Gmail. So I'll just log into my Gmail now. Okay, here we have it. So I'll click on continue. Then I have to input my password. Okay, here we'll continue. So you'll be asked for your business legal name, so you just put something nice. Okay, I have that. So I just say okay, let's say John K. Okay, looks nice. John K. Okay, that looks nice. So you'll be prompted to input your details. So you just have to put something randomly. So I'm gonna be putting something like this. Let's say let's say let me put something nice. So we get that. So okay, this looks like good. So after filling up the details, you're gonna fill up the details, and you're just gonna click on agree and continue. So you'll be redirected to another page where you still have to fill up some details. So that's it. Okay, I think I have to, okay, I think the phone number is too long. Let me just put it right to Nigeria, because there is a messing this up. I just put it right to Nigeria. Okay, just come down, then click agree and continue. Oh, what a problem with you. Okay, I think it's okay now. So when you're registering, you can just use Nigeria. So if you have an issue and you are calling the customer care, you will be able to define the phone number using the Nigeria account. The Nigeria phone number. So I'm just gonna click on sole proprietorship, and I'm just gonna post something random. Okay, let's just put this. Okay, click on the continue. So you have to put in your date of birth. Let me just put something randomly. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna put the same phone number I used. So okay, I've got that. So it's either you use the same address you use in the recent phone page, or you just put another new address, but I'll be using the same address I use. So you click on the submit. So after clicking on the submit, now the PayPal account have been created. So first of all, you just have to go back to your Gmail to confirm your email. So you'll be prompted to confirm your email. So now I'm confirming my email, and I'll be set to input my password again. Okay, okay, now it will be confirmed, and I'll be redirected back to my login. So this is how you can successfully set up a PayPal account that can receive and send funds. And let me just show you a real quick how you can, as you can see, receive and send funds. So it's pretty easy to receive and send funds using this account. So now you're just gonna come down here, you click on more, then you'll be shown, see, receive and send. So you can either receive from someone else PayPal account, and you can also send to someone PayPal account. So this is how you can set up a PayPal account here in Nigeria that can receive and send funds. I'm sure you guys have learned from this video. So you can just click on the like button if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. So I'll be dropping new amazing videos on how to do stuff.